The Shape Sizer, a fully CNC-controlled woodworking machine specially built for sizing, squaring, and shaping of flat or raised center panels and outside door edge profiles of assembled kitchen doors. It's also able to cope and size the rails that are surfaced to final height and width. The heart of the machine is the spindle unit, a robust unit mounted on heavy linear guiding, equipped with two independent vertical spindles of 300 mm with Prolock. Both spindles are horizontal and vertical CNC positioned. Spindle 1 wears a sizing tool and several outside door profiles. Spindle 2, all kind of different shaping tools for the flat or raised panel. Depending on the application, the customer could only install shaping or outside profiling tools on both spindles. At the starting position, both spindles are always in a retracted mode. After the wood is clamped over the entire width, the unit will move with high speed to the left side until the wood has passed. Sizing, profiling, or shaping will happen during the return direction in the same pass, so the tools are touching the wood only one time. The automatic length fence will retract and swivel to create easy access for the operator. During clamping, the safety curtain device will first close the working area. The air jet table will blow to achieve easy manipulation of the wooden parts. Glued center panels can be sized and shaped with an oversize of 1 1/4 inch. An oversized detection system will prevent starting the cycle with an oversize too big. Parts with a length up to 62 inches and a width of 4 inches can be produced on the Shaper Sizer. Starting from the length of 30 inches, the first stop of the automatic fence will swivel to allow the operator to work with the second stop. Without any manual interaction, the Shaper Sizer can switch over from raised panels to outside door profiling. You only need to select the corresponding job. Different wood species like maple, cherry, poplar, oak, alder can be all produced on the machine. Next to the standard wood, the machine can also size and shape MDF panels. The Shaper Sizer can also be used for coping of kitchen rails up to 4 inches that are surfaced to the total width and height. The operator can work with 2 pieces at the same time. An Earthalon counterblock will prevent blowout. With an handheld barcode reader, the operator can scan the barcode label. All information will be directly visible on the 10-inch touch panel. After having confirmed all data, you can instantly start the production.